Hello, welcome back everyone. Today I'm going to try and climb up this river here. So we've got the road here that goes along. So I'm going to try and climb up this river, try and climb up here as far as I can. Right, I've come up quite a bit already. You can just about see the road down there still. So the first bit was pretty easy. So I'm just going to keep heading up. So it's getting a little bit sketchy like. It's super slippery. It's about -2 today, so there's a bit of ice where you can just see when the floods come, the amount of shit that runs into the sides, from the sides even. It's just really about taking steady steps. Now I know I'm cheating a little bit by going around like this, but when we get to, you see there's a waterfall up there already, it's going to get really sketchy. What I think is crazy is that this valley you can see has been formed from the river for 1,000 years. Like the water current is quite low, there's not much snow at the moment luckily, but I don't want to slip and fall here. It's getting a little more sketchy here now. You can see there's quite a big waterfall. I'm going to try and scale up on the side here, climb the tree on the side and get up. It's just crazy the power of the water to push these trees down the river at some point that I'm now climbing up. I don't want to be falling into a hole either really. See it just slipping, so try and tread as carefully as possible. I'm going to try and cross over here. Quick little jump. This will be slippy as hell. Yeah, pretty slippy. I'm going to try and climb over this tree. Straighten the camera up. Now remember, the challenge is that I have to go up this river without leaving the river itself, so I can go a little bit to the side of it to climb up, but I can't leave it too far. I might have a little sip of water. Let's see how it tastes. Tastes alright. Tastes cold, but yeah, that's okay. Like, look at this log here, just sat here, balanced perfectly. Let's see if I can move it. Too heavy. That is slippy. I'll try and sneak through this little gap. Came down. Now it's getting tough. Can't lie, it's getting sketchy. This is slippy as fuck. Very slippy. I don't think I can get any slippier. Oh, that rock moves. That's gone. We get firm footing. Oh. That is slippy. Alright, we did it. Ow. Thorn. Oh. Yeah, it's getting pretty tough now. Look at that. At some point there was a huge landslide. I would not want to stand here when that happened. Look at the roots hanging out. Look at how crystal clear the water is. Absolutely stunning. This will be a tough one to climb up, but we can manage it somehow. Whoa, that is flippy. Right, this is going to be a sketchy bit. Oh, that was close. Ow, I'm slipping. I'm fucking falling. Oh shit. I don't know if you can see that, but feet are just going. Right, I'm actually a little bit precarious here. Let's see if I can go here. Yeah, I can. Go here. Hold on to the twig. This is twig saved my life. That tree. There we go. That wasn't sketchy or anything. Woo! It feels almost like every step I do either is nice and grippy or mega slippy. Nice and grippy or mega slippy. Here we go, next one. Look at this bit here now. Tree, slippy, good tree. Oh. Tree, snow. Bird, what the fuck is this? An owl? Fucking owl just flew by. Where did he come from? I can smell something. It smells like a dead something or some remains of some sort. I think deer do often, when they die, they get washed down the river, which is not good for me because I just drank the water. This is gonna get wild. Slippy, slippy. Can't lie, I'm pretty fucked, but I'm keep going. I'm keeping going. My English is nicht good. Okay, it's getting a little bit wild now. Just takes one rock to... Alright, I've decided I'm gonna have to bail because it's getting pretty sketchy. You probably doesn't really see it on video, but I'm gonna have to bail because it's going dark as well. The sun's going down slowly, so I'm gonna go back here and then try and go up here and then bail down the side of the mountain where it's not as rocky and slippy, because going down, or going up is one thing, but going down is another thing. Very sketchy, and I got no phone signal, so I don't want to break my leg or head. So, but we'll come back for that. We'll come back in a part 2. See, I'm already just a tiny bit going down. It's sketchy. Right, time to head up here. Try not to plummet to my death on this. Yeah. Right, so this is slippier than I thought. Luckily there's so many Christmas trees. So I'm gonna try and head up over here. And I think that'll be a kind of a way out. Goodbye, river. You beat me. Jesus. This is not a designated made footpath, thorns. Oh, that's a thorny one. Ah. Ow. Get out of here. Canal. Okay, we've made it to a wooded patch. Very dense wood, so try and just get through and get out on the other side. Very, very dense. This shit was very dry as well. Are these trees even alive? Here it is. Here's the escape. What's over here? Let's have a look. Wow, the twigs. Aha! Found a little piggy hole. A shooting thing for hunters. So, people who hunt deer and so on will go up this and then wait all night for someone to come. Hello? No one's here. Let's go up. Seems stable. Jesus Christ. Fucking high. I don't want to go in here because I don't know how stable it is. You would sit in here and then shoot his prey. Just like a deer. So it's literally falling apart. Nothing here. I'll head back down. So it's done now. I'm on the home stretch, just gotta go downhill now and then yeah.